In addition, the company will offer an Aero 15 laptop with an UHD monitor for demanding clients. Gigabyte introduced its Aero 14 laptops in 2016, bringing together high performance and compact dimensions. Early this year, the manufacturer launched Aero 15 that retained a relatively low weight and Z height, but contained a larger LCD and a faster GPU. On Tuesday, about 4 months after the launch of the original Aero 15, Gigabyte is introducing an upgraded version of its 15.6-inch gaming notebooks. The new machines are based on Intel's latest mobile platform, featuring 6-core Core i7-8715H processors and new display panels with 5mm bezels. The more affordable Gigabyte Aero 15 will come with 15.6-inch FHD LCDs featuring 144Hz refresh rate, whereas the top-of-the-range SKU will be outfitted with a 15.6-inch UHD panel that covers 100% of the Adobe RGB color gamut. All new systems will be equipped with 16GB of RAM and 512GB M.2 SSDs. Just like the original Aero 15, the upgraded units use NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1060 or GeForce GTX 1070 GPU with Max-Q tuning to ensure a thin Z height and a long battery life. Since the Aero 15 notebooks share the chassis with their predecessors, I/O capabilities of the new laptops are the same as those of the original PCs. Bluetooth, a Thunderbolt 3, 3 USB 3.0 Type-A connectors, a webcam located on the bottom of the display bezel, 1 HDMI output, an SD card reader, an RGB-backlit keyboard, and so on. As the name suggests, Gigabyte's Aero 15 is supposed to be thin and light. The system is indeed 19.24mm thick and weighs 2.1 kilograms, which is thinner and lower than compared to mainstream 15.6-inch PCs for gaming. The notebook comes with a 94 Wh battery. This should provide a rather decent battery life. When it comes to pricing and availability, Gigabyte plans to offer 3 SKUs of the Aero 15 V8 in the US. The most affordable model with NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1060 will retail for $2,000. A more sophisticated machine with the GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q will cost $2,300, whereas the most advanced SKU with an UHD LCD will be priced at $2,500. Among the many laptops getting refreshed this morning, Gigabyte has introduced an upgraded version of its Aero 15 series gaming laptops. The new notebook retains a relatively compact form factor, but features Intel's latest 6-core Core i7-8750H processors and new display panels with 144Hz refresh rate.